Hello, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, why not? Today I just wanted to go through the current status of my binary clock. As you can see, it does work. I've managed to get the real-time clock module shipped in. And all of the software works and all of the functionality. If you remember, it's basically just the binary clock. It shows the date. Has two buttons. It can do Pomodoro timer. It can set an alarm. You can change the pips color from, for example, white to yellow or green or whatever you want, and also the background color as well. All of that works. This is a fully functional clock the way I wanted it to work now. It has a buzzer to play the alarm and all of that sort of stuff. So everything works. The only problem I've still got to overcome is originally I was going to put this on an ATtiny chip, which didn't have enough pins, and then I decided to use an ATmega 168. That doesn't have enough memory. The ATtiny wouldn't have enough memory either. So neither of those chips, which I've got as independent chips, will work. The only thing that'll work is this one, which is a ATmega 328 on the Nano. Now, I don't want to put it in the Nano. I actually want it as an independent chip, so I'm going to have to order some of those. They're not expensive, but I'm going to have to get a batch from like China or something, and then put it in. I've 3D printed what will become my clock. It basically just sort of will sit like that on the desk. The idea here is that this will eventually fit in there. There's going to be another cover over the top where the only thing showing is just the screen, and then the two buttons will go here as well. So that's the plan. I'll probably change this 3D model quite a bit because I need to put some holes in it for things. But that's basically the plan. It's going to sort of look like that. It just sits there, and then it'll have the binary clock in the display. The only code I really added was to add the clock module in. Now, basically, the only real changes is I commented out all the minutes and seconds and all of that stuff that I was doing before by hand. I've put in this library for the real-time clock module, and then I changed all of the things to basically void all of that and to use the real-time clock library. And then I initially just set the time and off it goes. And because it's got the battery, it will now remember the time between power-ups and power-downs. So that's pretty much it. It all works. I'm quite happy with it. The only thing left to do really is to order these other chips and put them in and then do the 3D printing and all of that. So I'm probably not going to do an update on any of that. But, let me know in the comments if you want to see the final product. But basically it's just, this stuff here inside of a 3D printed case. So it's not really going to be much to see. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this sort of things, please like and subscribe. And also have a look at my books on xgipublishing.com. And I will see you later. Thank you very much. Bye.